Is your website a technical SEO disaster waiting to happen? Let's turn the chaos into clarity by visualizing your Semrush health score in Looker Studio and transforming your SEO strategy. First, ensure you have a Semrush account and an active project set up for your website. Then, head over to Looker Studio and create a new report by clicking the blank report option. Next, you need to connect your Semrush data. Click on Add Data and search for the Semrush connector. In the list, select the Semrush connector. You'll be prompted to authorize Looker Studio's access to your Semrush account, grant the necessary permissions, and then select the relevant Semrush project for the website you want to track. Now, choose the specific data you want to import from the available metrics. Locate and select the health score metric. This will be the key indicator we'll be visualizing. Once the data is imported, Looker Studio will automatically create a table. Delete the table and click the chart icon. Then choose the time series chart. Drag the date field to the dimension section and the health score field to the metric section. This will create a line graph visualizing your website's health score over time. Customize the graph by going to the Style tab. Tweak the colors, axis labels, and overall appearance to match your branding and make the date easier to understand. And there you have it. Keep monitoring your health score in Looker Studio to keep track of your SEO progress.